The only tools you're going to require are these to take your project. So I take pretty much a lot of tools with me in hand, cutters, some pliers and so forth. Multi-tools, this is compatible with a lot of the features I have here. I take this with me anywhere. It's compatible with a lot of different brands. I use Ryobi in Milwaukee, mostly Milwaukee, but very essential tools to take with you on the road, especially if you're going to take your bag, your tool bag, in a place that you're not familiar. Always carry this with you because you're pretty much going to need it if you got to take some bolts out of somewhere or add them. This is a perfect way. Now I've been doing a lot of solar lights, and this is it's lifesaver for those projects out there. You're up on the top of the roof, you don't have anybody handling these tools. This is the tools you will require. These are compatible with pretty much any tool they require. I like that to give you everything that's required in here, especially the extension. You have that extra slot, you could always add extra stuff or screws. This is essential tools because I like that it has different converters for different sizes. You get stuck in the freeway, you want to take out your tire, look at this, they even got the largest one here. Now this is not for trucks, it's not made for trucks or anything. It's smaller for 3/4, all right, the number 19. So they're all numbered, labeled. You can face them towards you. You'll never forget where they're at. They're all nice little sizes they have. Enclosure included. When you're ready to go to the projects, just load up your stuff. And we're ready to go.